That's great. Okay, good. Sakal, how are you today?
I'm great. How about you?
I'm good, thank you. So, did you have dinner already?
Yes. And how about you?
Yes, I had dinner with many foods today. So now I am full, and it is a time for us to do more tests from the British Council book. And yesterday we had the reading, and the day before yesterday we had the listening, and today we will have the writing test. Yeah. And for the English skill, we have the listening skill, reading skill, writing skill, and speaking skill. All of the four skill, which one do you like?
I like listening.
I like listening. Really? Look at the camera. Okay, good. You like listening. But for all of the skill, you need to learn all, right? We need to learn all skill. If we can listen, but we cannot write, so you cannot communicate when you text something. You may need text message, you will write email, you may write some letter to your friends. So we have to write. So today we will have the writing test. And before we start, do you have any question?
How should I improve my writing?
Okay, good question. So to improve the writing, you have to write. Write everything. We have to work on writing. Write a lot, write again and again. So we will improve writing. If we want to improve listening, we listen. When we want to improve the reading, we have to do the reading test. So if we want to improve each session, we have to do that session more than other sessions. Okay? Okay, so let's start the book and choose one topic. Okay, and tell me which topic you are choosing.
A text message invitation.
A text message invitation. Yes, this is a good topic.
Invitation.
Text message. Message invitation. Can you read it again?
Text message invitation.
Again, please, loudly.
Text message invitation.
Text message invitation. Okay, good. So, text message invitation. In Khmer
ការផ្ញើសារជាអក្សរ
ការផ្ញើសារជាអក្សរដើម្បីអញ្ជើញនរណាម្នាក់បានន័យថា invitation ឲ្យគាត់ទៅជប់លៀង invitation for the party, invitation for example, invitation for dinner. So text message invitation. But today we will study the text message invitation in Khmer or in English?
in English.
In English. Very good. So before we start the writing, I have some words for you to guess, and this is the abbreviation. LOL. Can you guess what is it? LOL. You cannot look at the book.
Lot of love.
Lot of love. LOL. Okay, very good, excellent. But I don't know it is correct or not. So one more. What is it? IDK. What is it? The IDK. When you text message, you don't want to write the full sentence. You just write in short. So you say IDK.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
I'm not sure. Okay, good. But at the moment I hear you say I don't know. Yeah, maybe I don't know. IDK, maybe I don't know. Okay, so before reading, we have to do the preparation task first. We do the preparation task, and here we have the short phrase and long phrase. You know short phrase in Khmer?
Yes.
What is it?
Sakal.
Short phrase បានន័យថាអក្សរកាត់ឬក៏ឃ្លាខ្លីៗដែលគេឲ្យយើងមកអញ្ចឹងហើយគេឲ្យជា longer phrases បានន័យថាជាឃ្លាដែលវែងៗផ្ដោតអត្ថន័យទៅលើ short phrases. Okay, so now number 1 IDK or this one IDK MSG ME LOL cool though want to meet. So now we read this one together. A 1 2 3 laughing out loud. B I don't know. C do. D send me a message. E do you want to meet? F that's great. That's fine. Okay,
3 minutes.
Okay, 3 minutes to do the preparation task. Okay.
2 MSG D send me a message. 3 LOL. F that's great. That's fine. 5 do. C do. 6 want to meet. E do you want to meet? They are not going to eat. Okay. This is helpful.
Wow, very good. Excellent.